Hi Year 2, so another video which is going to hopefully help you with your maths today. Following on from our work that we've been doing on time, so we've looked at o'clock times and we have looked at, yesterday we looked at half past, so half past the hour. Quick recap on that, because I always like to recap over just to check you've got things. So yesterday I had lots of fantastic work on half past, and we know that if, let me just figure this out 1 minute. We know that if a time has the long minute hand pointing directly down to the 6, we know that time is half past the hour. So on this one, I have got my hand, it's not gone past the 12, it's gone slightly past the 11. So that time is going to be half past 11. So like I said yesterday, we've got the short hour hand and the long minute hand. However, today we are going to be looking at times that are quarter past the hour. So again, linking back to our fractions work that we did together, thinking about what a quarter of a circle would be, because we're linking it to our time, and we are looking at quarter past the hour, or sometimes it can be known as 15 minutes past, which we're going to do more work on that as the week goes on, or next week. It's Friday tomorrow. So let me have a look and explain what I am meaning. So I'm going to start off with this time, and this time is obviously, so we've got the long minute hand on the 12 and we've got the hour on the 1. So this time is obviously 1 o'clock, like we did on Wednesday, I think it was, yeah. So when this long minute hand moves a quarter of the way round the clock face, we're going to move, there we go. So it's still on the 1, possibly slightly a little bit after it, and the minute hand has now gone, I'm going to just do a close-up, a quarter of the way around the clock face to the 3. So when the long minute hand, everybody, is on the 3, that is quarter past the hour. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see, if I just zoom right in, it has a 15-minute on there. So each number on your clock is worth 5 minutes. So if we go to our counting in fives, we've got 5, 10, 15 minutes. So quarter past can be known as quarter past the hour, or it can be known as 15 minutes past. Right, do a couple more examples of this together. Tricky one? No, we'll do a nice one first. Right. Okay, so I have created a time. So if we look at this, we've got our hour hand on the 6, and we have our long minute hand on the 3, or on the 15 minutes. So have a little think on your own, what will that time be? So we've got the 6 and the 3. It's going to be quarter past 6. Did everybody get that? Right, I'm going to do one more. Ooh, right. Let me have a think. Right, there we go. This is the sort of one what always tricks people, because obviously both of the hands are in the same place pretty much. However, it's really easy, because your hour hand is on the 3, even though we can't quite see the 3 it is, and your long minute hand is as well. So shout out from home, what time do you think this is? It is quarter past 3. Your long minute hand on the 3 or on the 15, and your hour hand's pretty much on the 3, if not just a little bit after. Okay, right. I have got with me as well, because you have some of these types of questions in your work today, my board, and I've drawn around a plate, which you could do at home if you wanted to do. but not with a permanent marker. I don't want to get pen on your parents' nice plates. So in your work today, you've got some that are similar to this, where it's asking you to draw times. Now, some of them might look a little bit like this. So bear with me, I'm just going to do one that we haven't done. So I'm going to do this time. So that time is now showing 8:15. So if we are creating the time 8:15 or 8:15, where do our hands on our clock need to go? Right, so we're going to have the hour, that's going to be pointing to 8. Remember, your hour hand is a little bit shorter, well, a bit shorter than your long minute hand. So that's going to be pointing nice and neat. Should be doing this with a ruler to the 8. Then your minute hand, because we're doing 8:15, that needs to go directly on the 3. And obviously it's a little bit longer. There we go. So 8:15. And like I said before, each one of these slots is worth 5 minutes. So if we're going 5, 10, 15. So 8:15 or 8:15. Okay. Have a really good go at your work today. I have put a little game on to start as well, just to recap times, o'clock and past. Any problems, let me know, but you are doing a fantastic job. So keep up the hard work and effort. Thank you, everybody.